Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and proving your identity so commits are attributable. First, install Git and then set user. Name and user. Email globally. This ensures every commit carries your info. Once done, create a local repository with Git in it if you need a blank project, or use Git clone to copy a remote repo. Make sure you check Git status immediately to see untracked files. If you have SSH keys, add them now to avoid repeated authentication prompts. You now stage and commit changes while organizing work with branches. First, inspect changes with Git status and Git diff to understand edits. Then stage only what belongs together. Use Git add file for whole files or Git add p to pick hunks. Commit frequently with clear messages. Git commit m message records a snapshot. When you need isolation, create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name, complete work, and merge back with git merge, or open a pull request if using a remote. You finish by synchronizing with remotes and reviewing history to ensure a clean state. Pull updates with git pull or fetch, then merge so you incorporate teammates' work. When conflicts occur, open the conflicting files, resolve changes, git add them, and commit the resolution. To verify, use git log one-line graph and git status. If things go wrong, create a backup branch, then use git reflog to find lost commits and git reset or git restore to recover. That single tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.